So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on your laptop, on your computer. So the thing is this, if you want to learn WordPress, okay, and you want to learn how to create website with WordPress, but you don't want to spend money on getting a hosting and getting a domain name. You just want to practice, you just want to build your skill, you just want to run a test website and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on your computer without paying for any hosting and all. But the thing there is that people will not be able to see it. It will not be on the internet. It will just be hosted locally on your system. But you'll be able to do virtually everything. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's not waste all the time. We'll just get into it. Don't forget, my name is Matthew, and this is Ziplight Tech YouTube channel. Please do not forget to click the subscription button, click the bell icon to get notification when we drop new videos. All right, so first of all, you need to open your browser. For me, I'm going to be using Chrome. Chrome is like the best browser to me. I don't know, people are different. All right, so what we'll be needing, name of the software is Bitnami. Okay, so you can just click that, type Bitnami WordPress download and click on that. So your first one here. Okay, so don't worry. This is just, I don't know, will I call it what? The app is downloaded. Nothing's actually downloaded. Just click here and click on application. All right. So before now, once you click it, it has like we had like three. We have what we call an installer. So a WordPress installer that will just install directly on your system. But right now we don't have that again. Wait, so just make sure you click on WordPress here. So before now, as I was explaining, we had your virtual machine, we had this on the cloud and the container, and we also had the installer that you just install directly on your site. But Bitnami actually removed that, and what you can only do is to do with the virtual machine. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. And the beautiful thing is with virtual machine, you can do it on any system, okay, and you will not have any problem. So just follow through. So first of all, you're going to be clicking on virtual machine and you need to download this, okay. So before we download that, we will need a virtual machine that will be running our WordPress and every other thing. So first, I prefer to just go for the virtual box. So you click on virtual box and just click on download VirtualBox 7.0. So depending on your system you're using, I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows host, and I already have it yet. So I would normally just click on download and the process of downloading will begin. It's about 106 MB, so it's not really much. 106 MB. So personally for me, I use a downloading manager to download all my big files. I have a video, I'll be putting it in the description below, and I'll put it at the top of the video or anywhere. So just make sure you watch it, and to show you how to install downloading manager. I've actually tried installing Bitnami directly with my Chrome manager and see how it comes. So the thing here is this, because the file, most of the time if you're downloading big files and you have a glitch in your network or your network break or the link for it break, you will not be able to retrieve it, and it's kind of painful when you have um big files and you're almost done, something like 3 gig, 4 gig, 10 gigs and all, and you're almost done and you just get this break, and before you know, your link has break and you will not be able to download again. So I tried it here, so I had to just go with downloading manager and all. So I have a video where I showed you how to install that. So after installation, so like I said, I've actually installed mine, so you look at it here. After installation, we're going to install that, but before then, you still come down. I told you, you're going to still download this download OVT format. So you just click on it and it will prompt you to sign up. No, don't. But if you want to do, but really you don't need to. So just click no thanks, take me to the download, and it will come to my downloading manager again. I also have this, and you'll be able to download it. So for this, it's, I think for that one, so I think I've already had it here, 622 MB. Okay, so you can pause the video, make sure you download both. Okay, you can actually just pause the video and also check how to install your downloading manager if you're want your download to go smooth, fast, and if probably you have the network glitch, you can actually refresh or resume, and everything will go smooth from there. So after waiting and after you successfully download both, the first thing you're going to do is you go to where your downloaded folder is. So for me, I have it here. So VirtualBox. Let me do something. Okay, so I have it here. So I'll just double click on it, and it will prompt you with this. Please agree and say yes. Let me minimize this. Okay, so next, yes, yes, install. So you just wait for the installation process to kick off and finish. All right, it's not going to take much time. Okay, so after installation, you click on finish. So say, did this program work correctly? Yes, the program did just for me. So this is the program. Now you cannot do anything, or realize you shouldn't do anything. You could probably take the first step from here to add our this what we downloaded what's the name of Bitnami itself, the Bitnami WordPress. Um, where is that on my download manager? Is here, so it's called Bitnami WordPress. You could let me open it on my folder. So look at it here. So without your virtual box, you cannot run the Bitnami WordPress. So your virtual box helps you to do that. So after installing your virtual box, you just locate where you've downloaded your Bitnami WordPress on your desktop and double click on it. Okay, so first let's do this. If it prompts you to install, just go through the installation process. Your yes, your next, your yes, your next, and all. I think I've installed mine, so I'm just going to click on finish here and make sure you agree. So it prompts you with this. So it's going to be importing what's called the appliances and all the these are like all the tools and everything you'll be needing. So don't worry, just allow you to do that. All right. So after that, the next thing we're going to do is to power up. Okay. So this currently Bitnami WordPress is powered off. So we just double click on it again, and the powering up will begin. So the process should allow you to count down, and let's wait for it. All right, so it will begin this process. Just open it up and let it run. All right, so you should get this command like this. So the first thing first I want you to do is you see this IP address. Do well to save it. Do well to you cannot copy it, but just do well to type it somewhere and keep it. Okay, we'll be needing it. Also, you could do the same for this password. Do well to keep it and keep it safe. So now, first thing first, we're going to be doing is on you just click on this login. You make sure you just type in user, enter. It will request the password. You're going to be typing this password here. So, and it will not show. So don't worry, just type. So after typing, click on enter. So it's likely to show login incorrect. So on this place here, you just type Bitnami as your user. Then the password also type Bitnami. Enter again. So you get this. It's say just don't forget about all of this if you're not. So what you call you get this place. You see current password. So on your current password, you type Bitnami. Enter. It will tell you the new password. So you just choose what you want. Me generally, I like to pick Bitnami, but for me, I'll just pick Bitne. Instead of Mi, I'm going to be choosing Me. Okay. So enter. To tell you to retype it again. Enter. So it will tell you password updated successfully. Basically, you are done with all of this. So the next thing you need to do is to go to your browser, and any browser of your choice. It could be the browser you used to download this. Okay, so let me just use this. Okay, so I'm just going to open a new tab. Now remember the IP address I told you to save, so we'll be needing it right now. All right, so for my IP address, so you try type HTTP. There's no X. Okay, so a double colon, then you have your double slash, then 129. This is for my own IP. It's not the same with yours. So make sure you just put in yours there. 68 129 192, sorry, dot 6. Enter. All right, so you get this prompt in here. So virtually this is the front end of your website. So what we do is come to this place, put on slash, then write admin, and enter. So it will prompt you to put in your password. So what we do is click on type user, then our password for this is this here. Okay, so just make sure you type it correctly, and you should have access. All right, so generally, most of the time, you probably will be getting incorrect password. Now, the issue here is you must type it exactly, and you must not mix any text. Okay, so that's just it. And I'll be doing mine. Let me try it again, and I should get it this time around. And right away I have access. So I could just save this and all. So this is the front end of my site, and this that means already is the back end and this is the front end. So this is how to install WordPress using Bitnami in 2023. It's that simple. There's no any logic, no coding. It's just very, very simple. All right, so I hope this video helped you. Welcome to WordPress, and I'll walk you through the process in probably any other time. Okay, so this is your WordPress, and you can actually see the front end of your site. Okay, let me cancel this. Sorry, you could see the front end of your site. Yeah, which I have showed you. This is it. So depending on the theme and all of those stuff. So have a nice time. Thank you.